Here we are at Thanksgiving holiday, and we are having a quiet holiday at home with just our family of 4. Do you go ahead and lay out and decorate the dining table with this beautiful tablescape when it's just going to be the 4 of you? I say yes. If you follow on our website, you will know that the last 2 months have been very different for our family. My husband recently had to have a surprise open heart surgery, so it's been a whirlwind to say the least. That being said, being around family during the holiday while we're learning new foods, we have made the choice to stay at home for Thanksgiving. So in the midst of the craziness, in the midst of the hectic, I've created a very easy way for you to decorate your dining table using what you have around your house. I started with a throw. This blanket I bought probably about 3 or 4 years ago, and I just folded it up to create a very colorful table runner with maroons and navies and whites and olives, perfect fall colors. Next, I simply added some woven hyacinth placemats. Again, I've used these many times in our home. Last fall, I did purchase these copper chargers from Hobby Lobby. Super cheap, and they worked again for this table setting. There is one new purchase to our dining table this year. We had to make a run to Target to pick up some medical supplies, and I saw that these plates were on sale. I had already purchased these bowls from the Hearth and Hand collection a few years ago, so these gray plates with the little lip fit perfectly. They're not an exact match, but it works. I added napkins and our wedding silverware and some water goblets and called it done. For the centerpiece, I gathered my chunky knit yarn covered pumpkins that I shared a tutorial a few years ago. I'll make sure to put that link so you can check out that video. One of our sisters gave us this wooden bowl filled with fruit as kind of a welcome home from the hospital. I just added a colorful pumpkin and placed it in the center and put 2 brass candlesticks on the side. It's messy, guys. Look at the candles. They're barely anything to burn because our boys love to light these candles when we're having just even regular peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. So I don't have very much candle in the candlestick holders, but it works because that's what last minute and messy is. So whatever challenges you are having this holiday season, I hope that these tricks help you feel like you can still get festive, still celebrate the holiday without having to pull out all your decor from underneath your stairs or climb up in the attic to get them down. You don't need to do that. It's simple, it's festive, and it's beautiful. And most importantly, it's really cheap. And that's what I live by. If you have any questions or any suggestions, or you want to share with me how you have decorated your table this year, leave me a comment below. I would love to hear from you. And we always have new videos coming out every week, so make sure that you hit that subscribe button and you'll get a notification when our next video drops. I have a feeling blooper reels are coming our way. Are you going to stand here while I do the video? You can. Okay. Drag all of your decor from underneath the attic stairs. Not your attic stairs.
If you got attic stairs, then you got another problem. In your basement attic, underneath the basement attic.
I wanted to go super simple. So
simple I can't even remember. My turn.
okay. Some Trent shenanigans are about to happen.
Just hit record, we'll see what happens. Oh, it's recording now. So, you know, you're gonna, hi friends, we're setting the table.
For the centerpiece, I went,
I'm so sorry.
shh. I'm trying to work. I can't work in this environment.
Take two. I got some chunky knit yarn pumpkins, and don't go get these from under your steps and your climb in the attic and get them, because you know. Because I was thinking, well, don't go climbing in your attic unless that's where all the stuff is. Then you got to go in the attic.
From our family to yours, happy Thanksgiving.